Irregular rainfall patterns mean flooding can happen anywhere. It is good to be prepared. Watch out for flood warnings. Listen to radio, watch TV, read newspapers. Rely only on official alerts. Use SMS to save phone battery. Keep an emergency kit ready. A first aid box, strong ropes, lantern, battery-operated torch, and extra batteries. Stock of fresh water and dry food, candles, matchbox, and kerosene. Keep all important documents in a waterproof bag. Untie cattle to ensure their safety. Locate high grounds and safe shelters. Be smart, be prepared.